Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Wix for SEO, full guide step by step clearly. Start with keyword research to identify relevant terms for your niche. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find popular keywords. Integrate these keywords naturally into your site's content. Optimize your website's title tags by including primary keywords. Ensure that each page has a unique title tag and make it compelling. Customize the meta descriptions for all pages to describe content succinctly. Incorporate targeted keywords within the meta description. Use header tags to structure your content logically. Apply H1 tags for main titles and H2 or H3 for subheadings. Create engaging content that answers user questions and provides value. Make sure your content is original and not duplicated from other sites. Optimize images by compressing them for faster loading times. Use descriptive file names and alt text filled with target keywords for images. Enhance page speed by reducing unnecessary elements and leveraging browser caching. Utilize Wix's built-in SEO tools for additional optimization features. Connect your site to Google Search Console to monitor performance. Set up Google Analytics to track visitor activity on your site. Ensure your website is mobile-friendly since most users browse on smartphones. Implement a clean and easy-to-navigate site structure. Create internal links to guide visitors and improve SEO. Use descriptive anchor text for your internal links. Submit a sitemap to Google for better indexing of your site pages. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Consider creating a blog to share industry insights and tips. Share your content through social media channels for increased visibility. Engage with your audience in comments to foster a community feel. Review your analytics data regularly to understand user behavior. Make adjustments to your strategy based on performance metrics. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.